St. Tammany Parish is located on the north shore of Lake Pontchartrain, which is directly across from the city of New Orleans.
Waterways are a way of life here. They're part of our culture. These waterways are part of our art, part of our music.
This particular project area was subdivided in the 1950s, and no central sewer infrastructure was provided. So as each home came in, they installed an on-site sewer system. And those on-site sewer systems discharged to the roadside ditches, which in rain events are then flushed out into the water bodies.
Bayou Liberty was impaired predominantly from failing sewer treatment plants and from homeowner treatment units.
The quality of life and the quality of the water in those ditches was really poor. So it was important to us as a parish to improve the quality of life for the residents there and improve the water quality and what's being pushed out into our water bodies and the Gulf of Mexico. In order to implement this project, we needed some additional resources. We needed boots on the ground. The Pontchartrain Conservancy had the expertise and they had the personnel that could go out and inspect these on-site systems as part of a collaboration with parish government.
What we try to do is pinpoint exactly what's wrong so that the homeowner can go directly to the problem and not be spending time searching for like a broken airline or something like that.
We did inspections, homeowner education, and lab sampling and analysis as part of the project.
St. Tammany Parish did a really good job of going out and preparing the neighborhood and letting them know that we were coming to do the sewer inspections.
I found out about the program because there was a flyer on my door one day when I came home, and it said that there were going to be sewer inspections. The reason was to improve water quality in the area.
We like for the homeowner to be there because then we can do on-site education at the same time.
The experience was very informative. They took the time and were very educational. And to my shocking surprise, my aerator did not work correctly. You know, they said I could repair or replace it. I decided to replace it. And the hardest part about that was finding a good price.
With the help of the CDBG grant funding, we were able to help alleviate some of the financial pain for these residents who needed to make repairs or replace their systems.
The overall benefit was, of course, with the homeowner education and the quality of life improvements in the neighborhoods. It's amazing. The ditches started out to be black, bubbly goo, and by the end of the inspection period, the water was clear and there were mosquito fish in the ditch. So it was actually a healthy habitat by that time.
The analytical data that we collected showed that we dramatically improved the water quality leaving this subdivision and entering our water bodies.
The program was very informative, it was painless, and it worked. We cleaned up our watershed.
Congratulations to the St. Tammany Parish Government and Pontchartrain Conservancy, the first place winner of the 2022 Gulf Guardian Award in the Civic Nonprofit category.